Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping quickly. Wet the magic eraser and wring to a damp, not dripping state. You spray the windshield lightly with water so the pad glides. This reduces scratching. Once done, press gently and wipe a small test patch along the edge to confirm no damage to tint or hydrophobic coatings. You do this because the eraser is mildly abrasive. Testing prevents surprises. Make sure to have a microfiber towel ready to catch runoff and to wipe the pad between passes. You proceed across the windshield with steady, overlapping horizontal strokes, keeping pressure light so you remove grime without abrading glass coatings. Once done with a section, rinse or re-wet the magic eraser to carry away loosened residue. A clogged pad drags and risks scratches. You tackle stubborn spots by holding the damp eraser briefly in place and moving in small circles to dissolve deposits, then wipe away residue with a clean microfiber. Make sure to change to a fresh pad if it starts to fall apart. You finish by thoroughly drying and buffing the windshield with a clean microfiber, using circular motions to remove streaks and highlight any missed spots. Once done, inspect from inside and outside at an angle to spot haze or residue. If you see streaking, re-wipe with plain water and a fresh towel. If you notice coating damage or dull patches, stop using the magic eraser. This indicates the abrasive removed a protective layer. For persistent marks, consider a dedicated glass polish or a professional evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.